Welcome to the mix today, and we have the landlord Erica speaking about Dwayne and 13 situation as it continues to reveal more information about both individuals. Erica reveals to her followers that Dwayne have been building pages for people to use to curse her, and that Dwayne told his followers to unfollow Anne-Marie because she was not using her platform for that reason. Erica also said that her platform was the first platform Kingston 13 came on to curse Gracie's mother, and she told her not to. Erica continues to ask, why would a 36-year-old man go after a 70-plus woman, cursing her out as Dwayne did? Catch the video now, and please like, share, and comment, and also subscribe to the channel.
Gentlemen, be reminded that this gentleman, Mr. Dwayne Fletcher, had been going around all over social media before this with his followers who sit down every day, and what they did is very bad. They sit down every day, and this is what they do to other people, mother. Hold on, see this? Look. So where am I get? Listen, this is it. This is the Dwayne Fletcher. That's why I am smiling. Look here. In the Jamaica for holiday, I'm not doing nothing, you know. Yes, listen. So people, what are you people telling me, say? This man left England to come to Jamaica for holiday. You know who is Plummy? Plummy is my mother. My 70-odd-year-old mother. I've never troubled this man. So come here, trenders, who not share the live. Because we need to reason. Come here, trenders. Why when he was doing all these things, nobody says nothing? He's going to be 36 on Saturday. My mom is 70-odd-year-old. And he come out to Jamaica to spend holiday, and he's saying father give him gun. The car come to Portland. And then he come back to social media. Listening sister also in the background. She did not tell him to stop. She only said what? The kids are here. Just listen for yourself. I am not ashamed of it. Because a lot of people who don't understand, I said, then why landlord has smiled so? Look why I am rejoicing. It's the wheel turn that stick sheep, stick back goat. So uno come. Hold on. If you don't look good, where is it? No, I look with the date when they send. No, I'm not see the date another one there. Is it February 28th? Is it, yeah? Nobody doing nothing. And if all these followers was there. I never trouble this man. Your skin black. If you are 11:59 p.m., dirty man, go suck your mouth. Go suck your wrinkle pussy. When he go fi say big, but when you remember that she's 70 odd.
Trust my mother.
Hold on. You might talk about female that pretty pussy too, but wait. Pum pum. If you can get up and do a video like this, and he say memory no good, we are critique the video, you know, listen right. He say go and suck plummy big, and when he go back and remember, he say she old, so he must wrinkle. Is it his brain working right? Come here, people. Why I say something wrong with this man your brain? Oh no, listen good.
Wrinkle pussy.
In office that you see?
My mama young and green and trust my mother.
Alright, see mother young and green. So